I have listened to the conciliation. Court does not deny them the opportunity to explore the same. However, I'm mindful of the charges the accused persons are facing, and I'm also mindful of the procedure under the law of cases that can be reconciled upon. I advise the complainants, if they're not interested in further pursuing this matter, to liaise with the representative of the DPP, and the file is forwarded to the DPP for a possible withdrawal under the provisions of section 121 of the MCA. Considering the provisions of 160, I'm inclined to enter a reconciliation in this matter. However, I proceed to deliver my ruling on the bail application. Bail is premised on the presumption of innocence, and for court to grant or not to grant bail, it considers whether the accused persons have a fixed place of abode, and whether, if released, they will be able to return. 2 is whether the accused persons are provided sureties who are able and ready and willing and understand their duties to stand surety for the accused persons. A1 presented his biological mother, his brother, and a friend as sureties. There was no objection of the sureties of A1 by the state. I also find these sureties that were presented by A1 substantial. A2 presented his sister, biological, and 2 friends who have been friends with him for over 18 years. Though the state attorney objected to the sureties, I find them substantial. They are aware of their duties, and they also know the residence of the accused person, and they all reside within the same vicinity with the accused persons. I find the sureties for A2 also substantial. I also find that the sureties presented for both accused persons reside within the same locality, that is within Machinja Division, and that is within this court's jurisdiction. I find that they will be able to perform their duties as sureties. In the circumstances, I allow the application for bail. However, considering the nature of the case the accused persons are facing, I am putting the following conditions that the accused persons must abide with. Conditions for bail is 1, each of the accused persons are released on cash bail of 1 million shillings. 2, the sureties are bonded at 5 million shillings each. Each of the sureties for each of the accused persons, not non-cash. 3, the accused persons are not allowed to leave the country without express permission of court. If they intend to leave the country, they have to seek permission of court. 4, the accused persons are warned from any interference with the victims or their workplace, whether verbally or through social media. As such attack, if proved, shall lead to automatic cancellation of bail. Those are the conditions for bail. If you meet the conditions above, the matter will come from Nation 13 in January. That's ample time to conclude the processes.
Temusobola kutabagana butabaganyi olw'ekika ky'emisango egibavunaanibwa wabula abasabye mukwatagane n'omuwali wa gavumenti okulaba nga emisango gino kkooti bwebanga egenda okweyimirirwa etunuulira nti avunaanibwa alina ekifo ekyenkalakalira mwabeera ajja kusobola okudda mu kkooti olunaku lwaba yeetaagibwa nga n'abalima baleese bagwanidde. Avunaanibwa asooka yaleeta maama we ng'omuyima, mukwano gwe ne muganda we omuwali wa gavumenti teyawakanya bayima abo, era kkooti nayo ekizudde nti baali bagwanidde okweyimirira. Obuvunaanibwa obwokubiri yaleeta mwennyina n'emikwano gye ebiri, newankubadde ng'omuwali wa gavumenti yawakanya abayima bano ababiri, kkooti y'ekizudde nti bano baali babadde emikwano gye okumala ebbanga ddene, era n'ekizuula nti bagwanidde era baali bamanyi obuvunaanyizibwa bwabwe n'emirimu gyabwe gye balina okukola, ate era nga batuuze b'omu kitundu kino n'avunaanibwa gy'abeera nti basobola okukola omulimu gwabwe. Kkooti ekkiriza okusaba kw'okweyimirirwa ku bukwakkulizo buno wammanga okusinziira ku kika ky'omusango ku bavunaanibwa. Buli avunaanibwa agenda kusasula akakadde kamu mu buliwo. Abaabeeyimirira buli omu ajja kusasula obukadde 5 singa abantu bano babula ne batadda okusasula gavumenti ya Uganda buli omu oba n'okwatibwa. Basabiddwa obutafuluma ggwanga, oyo yenna ayagala ofuluma eggwanga alina okusooka okusaba olukusa okuva eri kkooti. Basabiddwa obutalumbagana babavunaana mu ngeri yonna oba ku mitimbagano oba gye babeera singa ekyo kkooti enakizuula wadde gye bakolera temukkirizibwa kubalumba. Singa kkooti ena yakizuula okweyimirwa kwamwe kujja sazibwamu. Obukwakkulizo obwo nga bumaze okubutuukiriza omusango gujja kudda mu kkooti nga 13 January w'omwaka ogujja. Rana Patrick alias Allen.
You are free? This matter is done. Your lawyer will inform me on 13.
Your worship, if I may.
My condition for PW, I was very specific. I need the victim involved.
Your worship, if I may. The victim had promised that he's going to be here in the morning. Unfortunately,
has anyone gotten in touch with him?
yes, and the father, your worship. But they are playing hard to get. I don't know why.
The other time.
Let's address formally. Start.
Yes, Your Honor, the representation is correct. Beside us, Aima. Mitala Peter Williams.
Will be around today so that we can conclude the reconciliation process formally before court. Unfortunately, he is playing hide and seek. We are unable to have him in court today.
So have you had an opportunity to meet with him before today?
Oh yeah, Your Honor, there is even an additional statement, I think, on the police file in that regard.
In the absence of the complainant, what's your prayer?
In that regard,
You
Your
can't
Honor,
address me on the reconciliation when I don't have the victim who is going to tell me whether you engaged or not. What's your prayer? Make the prayer you want to make now.
Your Honor, in the alternative, would leave the reconciliation bit to the state to address court about the additional statement on file. However, my other instruction is, Your Honor, to apply for bail for the accused person.
Tabagana babirekedde omwami wa gavumenti anategeeza kkooti embeera gye birimu naye oba bawadde olukusa oba obuyinza okusaba beyiri.
Proceed.
Your Honor, the accused person or the applicant for bail, that matter, has sureties in court ready to stand for him surety. Surety number 1, Your Honor, is Mr. Sechimpi Kasim.
Ndi maasoka ye Sekimpi Kasimu. Sekimpi Kasimu nsembera awo. Ndagamuntu.
Sekimpi Kasim Yorona is the chairperson LC1 Sakala Zone.
Kasim, how old are you? What did you do for a living?
The chairperson LC1 Sakala Village, the businessman.
Businessman doing what?
I have a general clinic called Sankara General Clinic.
What's your relationship with the applicant?
It's been my friend for
How long?
over 20 years when he was two residents of Sankara.
Where does your friend stay?
He stays here in Makindi,
The zone.
Central Zone.
Sankara is found in which zone, which parish and division?
Sankara is found in the parish, Makindi division.
How long have you lived in Sankara?
I was born there.
Your phone number?
0757 83 87 +8, and the MTN one is 0776 94 92 04.
Actually, the number 2, Your Honor, is Mawaje Musa.
Move forward. How old are you? What do you do for a living? Engineer in what? That's a qualification. What work do you do?
I work with that company called OMUYIMBI.
Engineer with
Company called Somebody.
the company name? Somebody? Do you have anything to confirm that you work for that company here in court? Where is the company located? What's your relationship with the applicant? What's your relationship with the applicant? What do you manage for him?
I manage our company, our first.
Is it a registered company? So it's not a company. When you say process, it's not a company.
Your Honor, perhaps I could
No, that's
on Fangon
I am talking
Forest,
to
Your
you.
Honor. It has issues with your resident.
So it's not a company. Where do you stay? Where is it from? Which division? Division? How long have you lived there? 2 years.
I'm making 2 years.
Where does your boss stay?
So you are in St. Paul's.
Who is your chairperson in Sankara? Who is your chairperson in Sankara as well?
Our chairperson is essentially customer.
Your phone number? Your surname? You know your role as a sheriff? What is your role as a sheriff? I'm not hearing you, engineer.
Twawulira by'oyogera buvunaanyizibwako obumanyi omuyima ogere buvunaanyizibwako nga mweyimiridde
As a surety, what is your role?
bwe ngazo mweyimiridde
Counsel, allow him speak.
Yes, okubanga akomawo mu kooti ate n'ettayi nga kooti emwagala nasobola okumutegeeza.
make sure that he comes back to wherever is required.
He's your boss. How are you going to ensure he returns to court?
Because
Remember, he does not take instructions from you. Instead, he gives you instructions.
the good thing is we have a relationship with them, so the rest is to me. So we will make sure going everything we can do is correct. Because I'm a special manager.
You're on surety number 3 is my assistant.
Mayanja Sise,
She's a sister, you're on to the applicant.
How old are you? What do you do for a living? Where? What's your relationship with the applicant? Biological, clan? Who is older? Me. Where do you stay?
I stay here.
I don't know where you stay. What is the zone called?
Same as well.
Which parish? Division? Phone number?
562645.
Who is your mother with the applicant? Which parent did you share with the applicant? Which parent did you share with the applicant?
The father,
What's the applicant's mother's name? The mother of the applicant.
You're on the offense, the applicant is charged with his bed with personal report. And Your Honor, we also mindful that the court, this honorable court has just granted the applicant bail.
What does that mean? What does that imply to the second time? So it should be automatic that
No,
it's granted bail.
it is not automatic, Your Honor. But we are also mindful of that fact, and we pray that court finds the surety substantial and bid him to grant the
Kimanyi bulungi nti kkooti yakamala okweyimirirwa era basabye n'abayima kkooti ekiwule nti bagwanire awaka okweyimirira ne mweno fayiro.
We are also aware that Article 23 of the Constitution gives a right to any person applying for bail. The discretion remains for this honorable court.
Can we have order in court, the people whose phones are on?
Either to grant or not to grant bail. Also, the application is premised on the presumption of innocence. In accordance with Article 28 of the Constitution. And the accused person pleaded not guilty to the charges.
So just tell me why you think he will not abscond. That is what I need. You all know he pleaded not guilty.
Much obliged, Worship. The worship, the accused person has presented sureties to this honorable court, who shall ensure that he appears as and when required. And the accused person is a resident of the area of this honorable court. In a fixed place of abode. That shall guarantee that he shall not abscond bail.